Jessie Mifsud from Blue Door Yoga and Wellness, and today we're going to be talking about pelvic floor health and specifically how to release a tight pelvic floor. So most of us think that any issues that we may be having with incontinence or any other issues that we may be having in that region result from a loose pelvic floor. In fact, the opposite is usually true. We usually have too tight a pelvic floor. So today I'm going to give you a simple exercise with yoga tune-up therapy balls that can help you release some of the tightness in that pelvic floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our toted yoga therapy balls, and there they are, and we are going to place them inside our sit bones or our ischial tuberosities. So, sorry, I'm going to get a little close here. You're going to just find your sit bones, and those are those little knobby points that when you sit down on a chair, you can feel them protruding out. So you're going to find that sit bone, and then you're going to take your therapy balls lengthwise, so it's going to be front to back, and you're going to place them inside that sit bone. So you're going to just sit on the therapy balls, and I started with my left side. Doesn't matter what side you start with because you're going to do both. And then you're going to just sit, and you maybe rock a little side to side, maybe a little front to back. This can be pretty intense, so I want you to breathe through it. So you're yoga breathing, you're doing that the whole time, and you can do this for, I don't know, a minute, maybe a couple of minutes on each side. And excuse my bandage, I just had some blood drawn. So, you know, nice little accessory there. Okay, so once you've done the left side, then you're going to move it over to the right side. And remember, you can start with either side. So you're going to once again feel for that ischial tuberosities, and it's that sit bone, and you place the balls lengthwise, front to back, on the inside of that sit bone, and then you're going to sit on it. And again, each side is going to be different. It's going to be a different amount of sensation. So just notice that. And you can sit still, you can rock side to side, you can rock back and front. And again, even it out. So if you did a minute on one side, do a minute on the other side, or minute and a half, minute and a half. So that is a wonderful, easy use of therapy balls to release tightness in the pelvic floor. So pelvic floor, so much information coming out about how important it is for our overall health. And we were having a conversation in the chai corner this morning about the respiratory diaphragm and the pelvic diaphragm and how those two work together in helping your breath, and that's a huge component of it as well. So tight pelvic floor is going to affect your breathing patterns, which most people don't think about. So lots of information out there, and we are working on that here at Blue Door, and this is one of little tip and exercise you can do to release a tight pelvic floor. So thanks so much. Keep following us. Come into the studio if you're local. We are doing so much work on how to make you well from the inside out, outside in.